Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Google Play Store on your Android device. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Since Google Play Store does not have the feature to log out of your account, you must remove your account from your Android device. To do so, open the device settings. On the settings page, scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Similarly, tap Manage Accounts. You will be able to see all your accounts logged in to your Android device. Here, find your Google account that is signed in to Play Store and tap on it. Once you do that, tap Remove Account and tap Remove Account again to confirm. For further confirmation, tap OK and verify your identity. And that's how you log out of Google Play Store on your Android device. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.